Welcome to this video. In this video we will be solving Ugcnet optional paper of geography for the year December 2012. This paper contains 50 questions. So let's try solving. The first question says landslide involves. 4 options are there. So let's see each options one by one. Downslope movement of individual rock blocks, which is usually not perceptible. This is what we call rock topple. Option B, rapid perceptible movement of relatively dry mass of earth debris or bedrock. This is what we called as landslide. So option B is the answer here. Option C, slow to very rapid movement of water saturated rock debris. This one is either rockfall or earthfall. Slow moving downslope masses of rock debris saturated with water creep. It is either earth creep or or earth flow. Alright, so the next question, which of the following pairs is not a correct match of desert and country or continent? Atacama Desert, South America, it is correctly matched. Gobi Desert, Central Asia, this is also correct. Sonoran, West Asian Desert, this one is not correct. Great Victorian or Australian Desert, yes, this is correct. So option C is the answer here. Then Sonoran Desert is in North America. The next question says, one of the proponents of the turbidity current theory of the origin of submarine canyons was. The right answer is option A, Delhi. Question number 4. The term panplane refers to a level surface formed in the old age of fluvial cycle, or level surface formed by wind erosion, or a plain formed by marine action, or a plain formed by joining of floodplains. The answer is option D, a plain formed by joining of floodplains. In the process of erosion, the removal of material by solution is called attrition, corrosion or sapping. The right answer is option C, corrosion. The next question, arrange the solar spectrum in ascending order of its wavelength. Ultraviolet, microwave, X-ray, television waves. First one is X-rays, then UV, then microwaves, and then we'll have television waves. So the right answer is option C, 3124. The next question says, energy that is reflected by the atmosphere does not heat the atmosphere. No, this is not correct. Has a different wavelength than the incoming energy. It is usually short energy like visible light, which does not penetrate the atmosphere. This statement is also wrong because it penetrates through the atmosphere. heats the atmosphere by absorption. Not exactly by absorption. So option D is also not correct. And it has a different wavelength than the incoming energy. Energy that is reflected by the atmosphere. No, since it is reflected by the atmosphere, the wavelength of the energy is same. So none of the options given here is the correct answer. So it might be possible that this question was also deleted. Okay, so the next question: which one of the following statements about the polar jet stream is not true? It moves northwards during the summer. This is correct. It supplies energy to the circulation of the surface storms. This one is also correct. Its location roughly coincides with that of the polar front. This is also correct. Its velocity is greater during summer. No. So the right answer is option D. The percentage of water vapor in the air in the tropical regions may be as high as 4% is the right answer here. Option A. The vertical airflow in an anticyclone results in diversion aloft, conversion aloft, diversion both aloft and at the surface, convergence at the surface and divergence aloft. The right answer is option. Most common salt in ocean is calcium chloride, sodium nitrate, sodium chloride, or calcium nitrate. Option C is the right answer, sodium chloride. In the hydrological cycle, evaporation is preceded by clouds, precipitation, heat, or condensation. Option C, heat. Which of the following occupies tropic level 1 in food chain? Bacteria, carnivores, primary consumers, or plants? Option D. Which of the following regions is known as the carbon sink of the globe? Antarctica, savanna, northwestern Europe, or tropical rainforest? Tropical rainforest. Ecological niche refers to interaction between man and environment, functional role of an organism in the ecosystem, interdependence of man and plant, none of the above. Option B. Who among the following expounded the concept that the present is key to the past? It's Hutton. Question number 17. The approach that some of the geographical facts, according to Ritter, cannot be explained scientifically is termed as ecological, regional, teleological, or locational. It is teleological. Whose pioneer statement on the scope and method of modern geography, according to Hartshorne, sets the direction of geographic thought for the future? Blasch, Schlatter, Ratzel, or Richthofen? The answer is option D. Who among the following geographers emphasize the predominant role of climate in human life? Geertz, Jefferson, Huntington, or Bruns? It's Huntington. Who is usually given the credit for establishing the validity of the idea that there was an ice age during which ice sheets covered much of the northern Europe? Agassiz, Ramsay, Jukes, or Penck? The answer is option A. Question number 21. Assertion reasoning. The metropolitan cities are numerically dominated by male adult population. Migration is age and sex selective. Statement 1 is also correct, 2 is also correct. So option A is the right answer here. The percentage of aged population 60 plus to the total population in India lies between 2 to 5%, 5 to 10, 10 to 12 or 12 to 15. Right answer is 5 to 10%. Which of the following migration streams experiences the maximum migration in India? It's rural to rural. Which one of the following describes a projected urbanized world or universal city by the end of 21st century? Conurbation, city region, megalopolis or cumenopolis? The answer is option D, cumenopolis. Which one of the following indicates random distribution of settlement? So it's 0.49 or 1, 1.59 or 2.15. So option B is the right answer here. The stretchability of resources refers to ability to find adequate substitution, susceptibility to destruction, ability to produce greater yields, or non-exhaustibility. So it is the ability to produce greater yields. Refers to stretchability of resources. Option C. Which one of the following sequence of land use according to von Neumann model is correct? Market gardening, fresh milk, firewood and lumber intensive crop farming, firewood, lumber intensive crop farming, market gardening and fresh milk intensive crop farming, market gardening and fresh milk, firewood and lumber, market gardening, fresh milk intensive crop farming, firewood and lumber. So option A is correct here. Resource creation is the result of interaction of natural and cultural process, interaction of different natural processes, interaction of different social processes, or interaction of different economic processes. So the right answer is option A, interaction of natural and cultural processes. The final stage in the process of energy resource utilization is transportation, storage, disposal of waste material, or conversion. It is option C, disposal of waste material. Who among the following developed the sequential expansion transport network model? D'Souza, Porter, Brown, Brekke, Middle, Sear or Rostow, Teff, Morrill and Gould. The right answer is option D. The concept of geographical pivot of history was proposed by Mackinder, Martin, Kropotkin, Ratzel. Option A, Mackinder. Which of the following categories does Chile belong to according to shape? Fragmented, fragmented come elongated, elongated, compact come elongated. The right answer is B, fragmented come elongated. The number of children dying in the first year of their birth per 1,000 live births in a year is called as death rate, standardized mortality rate, infant mortality rate, or life expectancy. Option C is the correct answer, infant mortality rate. Which one of the following arrangements of states in descending order of literacy according to 21 census is correct. Descending order of literacy rates. Kerala, Mizoram, Tripura, Goa. Kerala, Goa, Mizoram, Tripura. Goa, Kerala, Tripura, Mizoram. Mizoram, Tripura, Kerala, Goa. Option A is the right answer here. Which one of the following is related to tribal economy? Intensive cultivation, footloose industry, mining and quarrying, shifting cultivation. So shifting cultivation is the right answer. Next we have, what are the bases of agroclimatic regionalization proposed by the Planning Commission of India? Relief, soil drainage, rainfall, temperature, cropped area, vegetation, soil and land use. Relief, land use, net shown area. Option B is the right answer. Rainfall, temperature and cropped area. Which category of the regions does metropolitan regions belong to? Formal, functional, single purpose, natural. Option B is the right answer. Who among the following attempted division of India into planning regions? H.K. Spate, L.D. Stamp, R.L. Singh or R.P. Mishra? The right answer is R.P. Mishra. Option D. In which of the 5-year plans regional imbalances was given prominence for the first time? In which of the 5-year plans regional imbalance was given prominence for the first time? First 5-year plan, second 5-year plan, third 5-year plan or fourth 5-year plan? The right answer is third 5-year plan. C. Which one of the following is not the ingredient of sustainable development? In intergenerational transferability, it is. Social justice is. Interregional transferability is. Non-optimal resource utilization. Yes, so option D is the right answer here. The main species of coniferous forests of the Himalayas between the altitude 1600 meters and 3300 meters are cedar, pine, silver fir, spruce, sagon, sakhu, sandalwood, rosewood, oak, chestnut, chill. The option A is the right answer here. Bundelkhand Plateau covers part of which two of the following states? Option B is the right answer here. Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Which of the following places in India ranks second among the coldest inhabited places in the world? Dras, Itanagar, Manali, Mana. Option A is the right answer here. Dras. Which of the following states has highest percentage of its agricultural area under canal irrigation? Madhya Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh. Option B is the right answer here. Which of the following ranges separates the Kashmir Valley from the Indus River Valley? Pir Panjal Range, Dhauladhar Range, Great Himalayan Range or Shivalik? Option C is the right answer here. Which of the following methods is suitable to represent the proportion of different land use in a region? Line graph, pie, hyperthumb or triangular diagram? Option B is the right answer. The dot method of distribution refers to iconic model, analog model, symbolic or graphical? It is analog model. Which one of the which one of the following is a relative measure of dispersion? Standard deviation, quartile deviation, coefficient of variation, or range? It is option C, coefficient of variation. If a map is drawn on RF 1 upon 5500 or 1 is to 5500, which one of the following representative fraction will be correct if the map is reduced half? If the map is reduced half, so option B will be the correct answer. Consider the following statements and select the correct answer using the codes given below. NASA is the National Acquisition and Distribution Agency for all the satellites in India. NASA sends the decoded data to the NNRMS, whose activities are guided by various standing committees. So none of the above statement is correct. So option D is the right answer here. Thank you.